Hey everyone, it's Skillet Social here. Today we're talking about 6 ways to stay productive when you are a procrastinator. But before we get into the tips, let's talk about procrastination. Procrastination is the act of putting off tasks or delaying them for later. It's something we all do from time to time, but for some, it can become a bad habit that can lead to missed deadlines or unfinished projects. That's why it's important to stay productive and fight the urge to procrastinate. So, here are 6 tips to help you stay productive when you're a procrastinator. 1. Start small. Break down large tasks into smaller, more manageable pieces. This will make them seem less overwhelming and make it easier to get started. 2. Set deadlines. Set yourself a reasonable time frame for each task and write it down. This will help keep you on track and give you a sense of urgency. 3. Remove distractions. Turn off notifications, silence your phone, and find a quiet space to work. This will help you stay focused and limit your chance of procrastinating. 4. Reward yourself. Set up a reward system for completing tasks on time. This will help motivate you and make it more enjoyable. 5. Get organized. Keep your workspace neat and organized. This will help you stay focused and make it easier to find what you need. 6. Find an accountability partner. Find someone you trust and make a plan to check in with them regularly. This will help you stay on track and hold you accountable. By following these tips, you can stay productive and fight procrastination. Thanks for watching and good luck. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.